Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel 7 video tutorial we will learn about the routings. So these are the steps that we are going to perform in this video. First of all, we will see that what is routing actually, then how we can make the routing, how we can get the data with the routing, and what is the anchor tag and how we can use it, and how we can use the redirection tag and all, right? So now the first question is that what is the routing? So guys, when we just make any page in the Laravel, like we just make controller, view, or any HTML page, and we just want to show it on the screen like this page, so that we must have to provide a routing to it, right? So this is a basically routing, and now let's see that how we can do it. So we are basically define it. Let's just zoom it out so that you can just see all the file. So for defining the routing, we must have to go inside the routers, then web.php, right? This is the file which is responsible for your all routing. Sometimes we just also provide the routing in the API console and all, but they are the advanced level. When we just make the tutorial for the API and all, then we will see them files also. So now, so first of all, let's say I'm just going to make a page. Like I have a page, sample.blade.php, right? So blade is actually a template of the Laravel, and in the upcoming videos we also learn about it. So for now, let's focus on the routing. So let's make a h1 tag here, and we just want to write here sample page. Now I just want to show this page on my browser. That how can I show it? So for that we must have to make a router, right? So how we can make a router? So let's copy it and paste it, and I am just going to write here uh, let's say sample, right? And here I can simply pass here sample. I never need to put here blade.php, just put the first name, right, which is sample. So now let's open a sample route here, and now you can see that this is the sample page, right? So we can also make the more than one route for the same file. So if I just put here sample and the same screen, then you can see the sample here as well as on this route also. Okay, so this is little bit complex. Like we just make a router, then we just put here get, then we just return a function. So we can also make it with small syntax. So just write here routing route, and just directly put here view, and first we'll put the path like here. And because this is not required that the file name and path name can be same, they can also be different. So my path name is here, and I am just going to put here sample, right? So if I am just going to put here here here, then this will also gonna open, right? So I can just remove this part for now. Let's comment it out and let's put it back welcome page, right? So now guys, now the thing is how we can pass some data or how we can get the data. Let's say I just put here id like 100, then how can I get it inside my Laravel from the URL bar, or you can see that the address bar. For that we must have to give use only this way, or you can see that we have to use only get request way. So first of all, let's make slash here and just put here id or any variable name. So now let's pass the $id here also, and just echo $id, right? You can put any name like $id info data, whatever you want. And if I just put here like this, it's a sample now, right? So the route is kind of sample. Now you can see that we got the 100 here, and if I just put here some data or anything else, then we also get it here, right? So this is pretty simple. So let's just comment it out also. Now let's see the what we just have to do. So how we can make an anchor tag here. So let's say this is my normal screen, and I just want to go on the another screen via the link. Then how can I go, right? So first of all, I'm just going to put here sample, right, so that we can access the both page. Now let's open the welcome.blade.php and just simply write here anchor tag like this, and let's put the path, which is the sample, and just write here something text like go to sample page. And whenever I'm going to refresh it, now you can see that a link here. Let's click on it and we are here on the sample page. So everything is fine. So now how we can redirect the pages? So let's say if you just want to open the blank route here, then it should be go on a sample page, right? How could it be possible? So there is a two way to do that. One is you can just directly put here redirect, right, and just put here blank. Whenever you will just put on the blank, it will go on a sample page. So let's try it. Now you can see that whenever you just put here blank, it will go on that sample page, right? Because sample page is not exist for now, that's why it is showing the blank, right? So if you just want to make it okay, then you can just go like this, and we don't need to put here id. Let's put here parameters like this, right? It's working now. Just you just want to go on the home and it will redirect to you. There is a one more way for the redirection. Let's you can just directly put here some redirection, return redirect, and in the redirect you can just simply put here sample page, right? Now let's try to run again the welcome page, and yep, and now you can again see it's going on another page. So thanks for watching this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.